family, and welcome back. If you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much for your continued support. You know I love and appreciate every single one of you, whether you're new or returning. But if you are new, I would love it if you would say hi down below so that I can welcome you to our channel. And if you are returning, you know I just love the support. So with that being said, I know it's been a while since I've done an unboxing, and I'll explain all of that in a minute. But today we are going to be opening the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So if you are interested in Ipsy or just want to see what my variation is, then please go ahead and keep on watching. Alright guys, so I have had such a busy time the last, I don't know, 2-3 weeks. So I do apologize if I seem a little off today. My allergies were bugging me, so I took some Benadryl. My nose and my eyes are extremely itchy, so I'm trying to stay away from that region right now so it doesn't come off ridiculous in the video. Also, I did not receive any of my subscriptions on time this month. It was really ridiculous. So luckily though, Ipsy did give me 1,200 points for their it's not a glam room, but you know, where you could redeem your points. So I was really grateful for that, but that's why this came so late, and they did make it up to me, which was nice. I loved the gesture, and it's perfectly fine. I was out of town anyway. And then I just also received my BoxyCharms. So I'm recording all of this on a Sunday. You're gonna see me in all the videos with the same everything just because I got them all so late and all while I was out on vacation. Well, actually it wasn't even a vacation. We had went to Omaha for a wedding that happened during pandemic, and they were having the reception over the weekend, so it was for family, so we did go and do that. So again, I'm just off. I have been so exhausted and so tired, so again I apologize and just bear with me because I know I'm rambling. So anyway, if you are new to Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, this one is their $25 a month subscription. You get 5 full-sized items, and you get to customize 3 of those items, and then the other 2 they do pick for you based off of your quiz results, which I feel like they usually do a pretty good job of. And then also, you guys, if you remember last month, they forgot to give me one of my eyeshadow palettes. Oh, excuse me. So I did reach out to them, and it was super easy, very simple. They sent me out a replacement, so I will share that with you guys today as well. Also, I will be putting the pricing and everything. I think it's definitely valued over $100, so definitely worth your $25 in my opinion. So they always come in the large size bag, so I love this. This month's theme for for July reviewing in August was Stay Golden, and it's this really pretty it's like the all-seeing eye of God with the sun. I love stuff like this, and I love how they've incorporated it into our makeup. I just think it's such a cute idea, and their bags are always nice. I did use this size bag for my makeup that I packed along our way, just because it was easy to keep it all in one place. And then yeah, it's just filled with awesome stuff. You do get a little card. However, in the Glam Bag Plus, you don't get a list of your items or the pricing, and I think that's just because you're customizing it's because you're customizing 3 of the items, so it would probably be hard for them to do that. I don't know if that's the real reason, but that's just what my thought was. So anyway, you do, you know, get the little card, and let's see what our first item is. It looks like everything is packaged fairly well in here, so that's nice. The first thing I've got here, comes in the little bubble wrap. I love popping these bubbles even till this day, like even though I'm an adult. So this is the South Beach Ombre Blusher. And I just thought this was so cute. I loved the whole idea of it. And I love blush. Ooh, look how gorgeous. So it doesn't come with a mirror. I'm quite all right with that. Look at how pretty that is. It's almost like you can use this several different ways. I feel like you could dip your brush into each one of these colors, or you can do, you know, swap the whole thing. You could probably even use this for a eyeshadow, depending. It's just really pretty. Let's see. I do kind of want to see what all 3 colors look like separate. So yeah, you do have that middle color. It has a little tint of the orange. So let's go ahead and try that on the skin. Very nice. And of course this light one looks like looks like it kind of matches my color. So my color on my skin. I told you guys I am off. I apologize. Anyway, that's really pretty, and it is such a fun idea with the ombre. So I like that. Let's see what else we got here. I believe, was this a choice? I honestly can't remember which ones were my choice items. So if I remember, I'll just, you know, oh yeah, hey, it was that one. This one is called Golden Hour from Beauty for Real. It's a mango butter eyeshadow palette. That looks amazing. How beautiful is this? And I love that it goes with this golden, stay golden theme. Ooh, so it does come with a mirror, and then look at how beautiful these colors are. I do think this was a choice item because I remember I chose it specifically for this blue color. I just thought that one was so gorgeous. So because of that, I think I'm going to swatch the blue and, well, the blue is called Infinite, and then I'm going to do Pink Sands, which is this color here on the end. I want to see what those two are all about. So I barely dipped my finger in, and it looks like it picked it up very well. So very promising on the pigment there. So there's the blue, there's the pink. I know it's a little hard to pick up on camera, but both of them are very stunning colors. And I actually like the way the pink is. I do think you'd have to build it up, but just looking at the way that it's reflecting, I do like that for a lid topper. So I'm very happy with this. And I will be putting the prices on the side as well as the total value of our bag, because I do like to do that, and I think that you guys probably appreciate that as well. So let's see what else we got in here. Okay, oh yes, I remember. I think this was my choice item as well. This is a Hipdot palette. It's called Sun Goddess. So very fitting for our theme this month. And if you haven't tried Hipdot as a brand, they are amazing, super affordable, very pigmented, and it like lasts all day. I have never had an issue with them. They're a very underrated brand for sure. Look at how huge these pans are. Oh my goodness, I love this. And I think it was a 4 shade face palette. So I like that. Look at how gorgeous those are. Ooh, this one has like a tint of orange in it. I don't think the camera is gonna pick it up or do it any justice. So let me see if I can get that on the skin for you guys. So I think you can probably see it's kind of orangey there. It's like a pinkish orange. Oh, I love it. Ooh. Yeah, like I say, these things, they are such a great quality product. I love it. Make sure you follow me on Instagram because I always do a little video to show you all of the swatches. I know I could do it here, but I also like to put things over there as well, so I kind of try to split that up just a little bit. So anyway, very nice. I like that. This I also believe was my choice item. This is a okay, Basic Beauty Bronzer AF. So this was a bronzer palette. Let me open this up. I love that. I love when the monthly subscription gives you a full face of everything, and it just like totally makes my day, like that they thought it out and they made it work. So here's what the packaging looks like there. And then, oh, it does come with a mirror. And look at how pretty those bronzing shades are. We have got to try all of these. Let's see. Oh yes, so they swatched very well. And let's put that on thy skin. Let's put it down. We're gonna go down here a little bit. Ooh, very nice. This one is a lot like my skin tone. They looked fairly dark in the pan, but you can see they're actually a pretty good match to my skin tone. So I like that. So you guys, if you get something like this, don't let those dark colors deceive you. Like, definitely give it a shot before you pass and move on, because I've done that before and I've regretted it. This is the Juice Beauty. It says the organic solution, SPF 30 oil-free moisturizer. So I love when there's SPF in this type of stuff. It just makes life so much easier, you know, that it's included. I sunburn fairly easy, so I love when it does this kind of a thing, you know. It's like double prizes. It's an extra bonus. So let's see, directions: shake well, blah blah blah. So after cleansing in the morning, apply generously to the face, neck, and top of hands before sun exposure and as needed. So that's always nice. So it just says it's a moisturizer. So it's a moisturizer with the sunscreen. I thought at first that it might have been a primer, but it is not. So I am definitely going to use this. Like, oh, it's sealed. I am going to use it. So we'll go ahead and open it just to see what it does. And hopefully, oh, yep, there we go. Okay, so it's a nice, oh, it looks real creamy. Look at that. You know, my little fingers are all dirty. Okay, from the swatches. All right. Oh yeah, that's a very nice cream. Ooh. And you can tell it has the sunscreen in there, so it looks like it's not just saying it has sunscreen. You could totally tell that the mixture has a decent amount of it in the product, so that's always a good thing, I feel like. And it does smell, it smells a little like sunscreen, not heavily or anything. I like this. It feels really good on the skin. I'm very pleased with this. So let's go ahead and do the recap. We got the moisturizing sunscreen, the Hipdot face palette, the Golden Hour eyeshadow palette, the bronzing palette, and the ombre blush palette. So I think this was an amazing box. I mean, definitely worth the $25 in my opinion. I think they did a great job at making sure we had everything that we need for a full face look. The only thing probably missing was just the foundation and maybe some eyeliner and some mascara. But other than that, we've got a full face here, you guys. So I cannot complain about that. So let me know what you guys thought about that and how you enjoyed your variation this month. And then here is the missing palette from last month. It was the Real Her Dream So Big eyeshadow palette. So I wanted to share it with you guys. This is me totally opening it for the first time ever. You know, I gotta save it to share with my friends. And it looked like such a beautiful palette. I was like, I have to let them know I didn't get it. So here is the palette. This palette is, you can probably get this, you know, in any other brand. This type of palette has been done over and over again in many different brands, or, you know, just across the board. But it is a very nice palette, and I love Real Her, so I was interested to try their eyeshadows. This is going to be the first time that I've tried it, so I've liked their lip liners and eyeliners, so I think that this is going to be a good palette. So I want to see this. Ooh, I mean, they're really pretty. God, these remind me of like Too Faced colors. So I want to try, like, this whole first row is just so pretty to me. Like, so I swatched the whole row down there. Let's see, where am I gonna fit that at here? All right. Oh yeah, very nice. So they're not showing up just because they're pretty much my skin tone, but they're these three here. Very, very gorgeous. Oh yeah, they swatched really well. I think that they held the color really well as well. It's just that it matched my skin tone. So it does look like you can build it up, which is always nice. So yeah, you guys, let me know what you thought about this. And remember to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. I'll be doing the full palette swatch over there. All right, we will see you in our next video. Bye.